It's your daily math problem. Pause it, try it. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, and don't forget to follow for more practice. I love questions like this because even though this is a hard problem, is it really? Let's take a look at what we have. We're told that there is a 25-foot ladder propped up against the wall. If that ladder slips down 4 feet along the wall, we're going to pause there and label the picture. So that's the original position, and we go down by 4 feet. Now, this ladder also then moves away from the wall until it's 15 feet away. So that's the new position. So it must have slipped just that little bit of a distance. But remember, not everything is drawn to scale. So now we're looking for where was the ladder originally. Since the ladder was closer to the wall originally, E and D just don't make sense. And after looking at the other 3 answers, A just seems way too small. So I'm going to guess that it's 9, but we'll see once we do the work. So since there's a right angle, we're going to draw our right triangle of the new position of the ladder. And we know the ladder's 25 feet and that it's 15 feet away. So all we need to do is calculate how far up on the wall it is. And it's easy to do that using something called the Pythagorean theorem. And what makes this problem even easier for us is the fact that the Pythagorean theorem is given to us on the formula sheet for the SAT. So even if you don't remember it, so long as you know how to do some simple algebra, you can get the answer. So the new position of the ladder is 20 feet up the wall. But remember, because we slid down, now we have to slide the ladder back up the 4 feet. And once we slide the ladder back up the 4 feet, we're going to get the original position of 24 feet up against the wall. And now we have enough information to create a second right triangle showing the original position of the ladder. So now that we know the ladder is 24 feet up the wall, the ladder is still 25 feet, now we can calculate how far from the wall it was originally. Again, using the Pythagorean theorem, we'll easily be able to find our answer. A note on the Pythagorean theorem: if you ever come across a right triangle problem, more than likely this is the formula you're going to end up using. And as we approach the end of the problem, you can clearly see the answer is 7, which means that my guess was incorrect, which is okay because you can't guess them all correctly. Let me know if you still think that this is a hard problem, and make sure you follow for additional practice.